All right, everybody, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. And today, I'm going to show you how I use AI to make my thumbnails. It's going to be different for everybody. I've got and I'm going to show you my setup. Um, what they want me to tell you here is AI wants me to say that I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo to make custom thumbnails. I'm also going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make these custom thumbnails, because if you can get the prompts just right, ChatGPT can save you time uh, that Leonardo can't. Um, but either way, we're going to see which one does better, and we are going to literally, at the end of this video, the thumbnail that you see on YouTube, it's thumbnail we're going to make. So we are literally going to make the thumbnail for this video, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Again, using two different methods, ChatGPT and Leonardo. So without further ado, let's get right into this.
Hey there, welcome to the hub where we learn and build with AI love. No code, no fear, we got your back. Just hit play, we're on the newbie track. Learn, build, create, let's dive in. It's AI fun, where do we begin?
Okay, welcome back, everybody. Okay, so if you notice, I'm in ChatGPT. I live here for a lot of things. And by the way, they have an update to ChatGPT to further improve its memory. So, and this is off subject to what we're doing, but just real quickly, Gemini, Google Gemini, they've got it where it can use your search history now, and you can ask it, hey, using my search history, what do you know about me? And it can tell you. With ChatGPT, they just upgraded the memory, which means now you can refer to any chat that you have. If you come over here, I've got all these chats. You can refer to any of the chats. It will remember what's on them. I believe the chat's also longer, and so just something to check out. And all you got to do is ask it what the update is. It'll tell you. So ChatGPT has updated. Oh, with that, okay, I'm going to show you some examples here. Over here, we have got, we're in Leonardo. It's over here. This is free. You get 150 tokens a day. They'll give you about 24 videos, depending on what method, what models you use. If you look at these, the AI should be saying animate AI with D-ID. Does it really work? If you notice, it's got these a little bit, it don't have D-ID, right? It has, does it really, and then does really work here. So that one is not a usable deal because it has text. Animating AI art doesn't really work. I could take this and use this as a thumbnail. Animate AI art, does it really work? Again, I could use that as a thumbnail. That one don't have anything on it. Technically, I could if I go into Canva. Let's look at another one that's low previous generations, because there's some. We've got some really cool ones. No, come. Okay, here we go. Create AI image FX. See, the words are wrong, and we can't do that. Create AI art with Google Stungle image FX. if you're noticing a trend, it's having problems with the writing, okay? Now, if I come over here, yeah, I bet you I don't have one. No, I don't, because I created them somewhere else. That's not going to be here either. So either way, that's fine. I don't need to see the video, or I don't need to see it here. We're going to create it. I'm just going to show you. Oh, well, actually, no, I can't do that. My thumbnails, I can show you. Let me go, just a second. Let me go to AI Newbie Hub, and if you look, this one here is going to be what ChatGPT did. These over here is what I got out of Leonardo. So down here, ChatGPT, 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 Leonardo. That's ChatGPT. If you notice, Leonardo's very defined. That robot is a lot different looking than this one. It's just a different scene. So, saying that, with Leonardo, you can get much more detailed images, but it has a problem with the text. I mean, let's look at that. Beautiful pictures. So you throw your text on there, you can use that. I don't do that myself. I can. And how do we do all that? You come over to Canva, and as you can see, you can see right here is all of my thumbnails that I use to see what it is. Not what it is. So I can make them and see which ones I want to put up. If you notice, this one has that writing's almost 3D looking. Again, made in Leonardo, and it got it right. And then I just added my logo, which I got all down here now. But that's what we're gonna do. So with that, we're gonna start with. It says, how do I write my thumbnail prompts? This is going to be very different for everybody. I have trained my ChatGPT to ask me 6 specific questions. It's either 6 or 7, and we're going to walk through this. And as it's going to ask me the questions, I'm going to fill it in, and then it's going to generate my prompt. I don't use a little prompt. You can. You can write something. What's a prompt that they say? Here you go. An example prompt: a futuristic humanoid robot at a control desk. Yeah. Okay, that'll work. Add details. Make a holographic screen showing AI generated images with cinematic lighting. Okay. What kind of textile, modern background, vibrant glow, a 16 by 9 layout? That's fine. That's all fine. You could do that. It's just a short thing. I've been trying to refine my prompt. So what we're going to do is say I need to create. Well, let me see what I asked them. Okay, yeah, create a thumbnail. And now it's going to ask me questions. No, what's the difference? Let's start creating. I prefer this response. They're testing it to see which response is better. What's the title for my thumbnail? I'm going to pop over here just a second. Okay, now I'm going to have my thumbnail in 2 parts. How I make YouTube thumbnails. How I make YouTube. It had to be thumbnails, but I think that's too long. I can break it down. No, we're going to try this. thumbnails. And it's going to ask me for the uh, subtitle, and I'm going to put it with AI. That's the name of our video. Okay, now it's going to ask me, do I want a male or female robot? And we're doing thumbnails. We're going to use a female, okay? Then it's going to ask me, are they sitting or standing? They're doing art. I'm going to have them sitting. And now it's going to ask me which words, what should be displayed on the screen. Let's see. I don't know. What are they doing? Thumbnails. Thumbnails. Okay? Because you just said that's going to be on their monitors. From the title, we're going to do YouTube. I don't like this. Okay. Anyway, that should be all the questions. It's going to spit out a long prompt. I mean, a long prompt. Now, I'm going to take this prompt once it spits it out. And if you notice this is specifically for ChatGPT. It's telling me all the information we just put in. I want everything to stay the same. So my title and text is bold and 3D. I literally have this as a, just a second, I'm going to show you here. In my project files, I have got the, have to go get it, but I've got I got a PDF, which is this thumbnail where, that's where it's drawing. That's where it's drawn from. Is it literally? I have it set over several days. You know, I got it better and better. I tried to hone my prompt in, and it ended up with a nice prompt. So every time, it'll always look like this. So that's a long story. So let's go over here. We're going to go back ChatGPT. And now with our new image thing, okay, I don't know what just happened here. Oh, we ain't doing all that. Oh. Okay, so what happened? Let's see, I don't know what just happened because on my little button that said create image is not there. Yeah, it's not there. We're going to see what this one does. But this I essentially have put in. Okay. So we're losing our train of thought. I've got this one starting to work on this. I'm going to come over here to Leonardo. We're going to do the same thing. But I have got to modify this, okay? Because it will not fit this whole thing in. I'm not worried so much about this. Okay? Now we're going to generate, and we're going to see which one works out better. I know some of that wording got taken out, but it shouldn't matter. It's going to take a while. This one should be done quicker, and it's always going to give you 4. Remember that. And unless you pay. If you pay, you can get less. But here's the thumbnails you have. How I make YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails. Can't use that one. I could use this, but I'd have to go over into Canva, and I'd have to actually put a title in there, but I don't see anything wrong with that picture. How I make YouTube thumbnails with AI. Very usable. Not that one. So if I was going to do anything, I would take this picture here, and I'm going to save it. and you're not gonna see this, but April, new folder, we're going to name it 411 5. This ain't, okay, I'm naming my file here. Okay. YouTube thumbnails image 1. Bam. Okay. So I just named that, saved it, named it. Now let's check on our AI here. Now, here's the difference, okay? How I make YouTube thumbnails with AI. How to grow channel, video title, 10 proven methods, thumbnail that would work for me. I don't care. Tips. Okay, so this one has all the wording. If you recall, the one I just saved with Leonardo does too. Does too. So here what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to come over here. I know I'm all over the place, but anyway, that's all right. We're going to go how I to thumbnails image 2. Okay, now we're going to come over here. We're going to click on this. We're going to go to uploads, upload files. They already had some, but we're not going to use those guys. We're going to use these two. We're going to open. And we're going to drag this one here. It says background. And then we're going to come down here. Set as background. Okay. How I make YouTube thumbnails with AI. It's got my deal here. It's got that. I could use that. If you notice, since I copy them, that's always going to be in the same place. I make YouTube thumbnails with AI. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come here. I'm going to say this one. Nope, I want current page. Done. Download. It's going to ask me to name it. 4.25 thumbnail 1. And then we're going to do this one down here. Same thing, except we're going to name it number 2. Current page. Done. Download. Okay, we're going to go 41125 thumbnail 2. Okay, now, I don't think, I don't know what I just fucking did there. Okay, so anyway, we're going to open this up. I know that you cannot see them at the moment, but you're about to, guys. So, let me come over here, source, image, okay, browse, we want port 11, thumbnail 1, okay. Okay, that's the first one, so that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to change this real quick. And we'll go thumbnail 2. And that's what the second one will look like. So, I know that's... I'm not real good with my images yet, guys. Work with me on that. But we're going to actually use both of those when I upload this video. I'm going to remove that now. Yep. And so, the bottom line is, what we've got is... we made 2 thumbnails. We made one with Leonardo, and then we also made, we actually made four with Leonardo, but we could only use the one. And then we came over to Chat GPT and also made one. And what I'm going to do is when I upload this video, I will actually test both of them, see which one does it. I don't get enough views yet to worry about it, but I do worry because Chat GPT is so good on text. And if I can get the cropping right on Chat GPT, it would be the most excellent thing. Um, I put it into Canva. You've seen that. Let me see. Tips for better thumbnails. Use the right aspect ratio. You got to do that with all of them. I was using the, and here's my prompt. Here's my literal prompt. See, it has my title, subtitle, title, word, the highlight, subtitle, word, what's on the screen, they sitting, standing, or is male, female. It asks me those questions, and then it literally puts it in here. Now, I've got a lot of this in here because if you notice, the left side of this is cropped out. ChatGPT has that issue right now. It's cropping out that left side. So I made the robot stand on the left at all times now, stand or sit. She's sitting. I had her sitting. And I had them put my words over here. And it'll do that every time. Leonardo does not quite understand those directions yet. But they make beautiful pictures. Don't get me wrong. I love Leonardo. I just, for thumbnails right now, I really think ChatGPT's where it's at. Until proven otherwise, they have really upgraded. So, with that, guys, let's go here. What does it tell me I'm supposed to do now? Let me make sure I got everything covered. No, because we've made our thumbnails. I'm going to use them. A few tips: use right ratio. Keep the subject left or right aligned. If you're using ChatGPT, keep it left aligned until because if my little robot gets a little cut off, I don't care. My words do what matters. Stick to a consistent style. That is exactly why I have the same prompt with just a few things changed every time. I want a consistent thumbnail. Now, if I change my thumbnail, I'll change the prompt and I will still do the same thing. I will have ChatGPT ask me the questions I need for my prompt, and then I'll go from there. I'm going to show you one other thing real quick. If I come over here to my projects, I've literally got one of my chats in my projects is literally, I told it to, I gave it the instructions to ask me the questions. That's all this chat is. I go in there and say, I need a thumbnail. And it'll ask me 6 questions. It will print me out this, and you see me recreate it to thumbnail. So, with that, so that's how you use either Leonardo or ChatGPT to make thumbnails. Or I mean, I always use ChatGPT, but for the actual images, that's how you do it. So I take Leonardo and ChatGPT, I put it into, when I'm done, they all got to go into Canva so I can get that little YouTube thing in the bottom, and it'll also my logo on the top. I gotta have AI newbie up on the top. If you ever used it, let's see if you used. No, I'm sorry. I read what they say. Some things really wild. Yeah, I do go off script because script sucks sometimes. Hey, if you use AI for if you use Leonardo with ChatGPT for thumbnails for, you got any hints, suggestions, or what's your favorite deal? Let us know in chat. Otherwise, if you got anything out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the I don't like button, Leave a comment saying I didn't like the video. It don't matter. I hope. Otherwise, you have a good day, and we will catch you on the next go around. Ciao.